I'm going to show you my conversion that I'm doing on my dryer, my gas dryer, and I'm going to show you a little tip and how I screwed up last time and what you can do so you don't screw up. So good for you for looking up on YouTube before you start installing, and this should be pretty easy now after you watching my video. Okay, so let's go through this here. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to take this out. And forgive me, I don't know all the proper words, but it's the burner. You're gonna have to take the burner out, okay? And then you have to change out this, and then there's one back there that you can't see. So let's go look at the one you can't see. Because what I've done is I actually have two dryers of the same model, and the one bit the dust, and so I'm throwing it away. The belt broke after years of abuse. And so I pulled this part out because now it does not have the orifices, and I'm giving the dryer away for scrap. It's for free, and I don't want somebody hooking this up and not having the orifices in and burning their house down. So that's why I'm just going to throw this away. But the reason I took you over here is because I can't get the camera back there, and this is where the orifice goes that you have to change out, okay? This is the little regulator blocker, whatever. Just read the instructions. And this also gets changed out because when you change the one that comes in the kit, it opens up more for the propane, okay? So now look, this is the part, the GE Genuine Renewal part. It says GE Hot Point. So I'm guessing this will work on any GE dryer, but that's just a guess. Don't quote me. If anything happens, it's your fault, not my fault. This is for information only. So here's this is for entertainment only. So here's your number, we25x217. Okay. Now let's go back over here so I can show you the tip, what to do so you don't screw it up. Do this, very important. Okay. The first time I did mine, I was trying to take the screws out. It's like, kind of hard to get to that one. And then that one, kind of hard to get to. And then there's one clear back there and clear back there. So I got to take those screws off, otherwise I can't pull this out to mount the new orifices in, okay? So the mistake I made the first time was like, oh, I can't get to those screws. I got to pull the drum out. So I thought, well, once I pull the drum out, then I can get to those screws, which, yes, that I can, but do you know how long it takes to get this stupid drum out? And then what happens is you take that drum out. Can you see back there that little belt? That belt needs to go all the way around the drum, and then you have to get the stupid tension right, and it's just a horrible nightmare. So do not take the drum off. Warning, do not take the drum off. Okay, so how do you get to those screws? Well, just like this. I love my little impact right here. It's just super compact. I can take this off. Okay, I'm filming so I can't take it off, but do you see, like, I can get to most of those screws with just my own little thing right here. And then what I have is the little extension. So if I do that, then I can shove this, get that one. I can shove it back there and get that one. I can get this one. See that? I can get that one. Clear back there. It's hard to film. It's hard to film it, but I mean, I can get back there. Like if I have two hands, then I can do it. Okay. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. Get yourself the right tool. This is the right tool. Okay. And in the little factory, when they put these together, I bet you you're using something like this. Don't just use your long-handled screwdriver, because it's going to be a failure. And another thing, you're going to have to pull this top up right here, right? Because you're going to have to pull the door off on this certain model because it doesn't have the access port back where you hook your gas line in. So when you take the door off, there's a little screw right here that you have to take out. There's screws back there, but I'm too lazy to get those out. And so what I do is I just use this. I just use that. I just take it out of here. And I just use that, and I just unscrew it with my fingers, and I can get that screw out. So I hope that helps, and good luck on converting your gas dryer, and I hope you don't burn your house down. It's easier than it looks. You know, don't be intimidated, but also don't be stupid about it. This should not be the only video that you watch. You should be watching other safety videos, and you should give yourself time. And don't just try to slam this out on one weekend, having never attempted anything like this. So, you know, do your gas test and learn how to use your tools and this and that. But anyway, if you've made it this far, congratulations. Most people's attention span would have been exhausted by now. So keep watching my channel, and there's lots of framing videos coming up and other little things. So that's all for now. Bye.